Hi, my name is Elgican Aguado and I'm under COE186P under section E01, and now we're gonna create activity 2 entitled potentiometer. The things that we need are some LED, some connecting wires, a potentiometer, Arduino Uno, and of course a breadboard. So let's start coding. So we're gonna combine the potentiometer and the LED. So what we're gonna do is when we uh, switch the potentiometer to the right, the brightness of the LED will vary uh, according dependent on the how far the potentiometer spin is. So the first thing we do is put in LED to the port 11, and then the potentiometer, the pot, into the port A0. So here in the void setup, we're gonna put pin mode, uh, LED output, and serial that begin to 9600. So here in the loop, we're gonna put int value, uh, int val, int brightness, and int fade amount. Okay, so val is equal to analog read potentiometer. So the analog read will read the potentiometer's value. Serial that print value equals, and serial that print in. So print ln, I mean. So val analog write LED brightness equals value. Okay, and delay is 30. Okay, so that's it for the code. Now let's activity 2. Oh, there's an error. Oh, the serial. Sorry, I didn't see the serial. So let's check. Oh, I'm using caps lock. I have so many errors. Luckily, we have the verify. So now we wait. So now let's upload this to the Arduino, and let's begin to put the hardware to the breadboard. So now here we have the connection. Here we have the connection here. So the LED's cathode is connected to the ground, and the LED's anode is connected to a resistor, which is then connected to the pin 11 of the Arduino Uno. So the potentiometer left side is connected to the ground as well, and the middle part is where we connect the Arduino Uno's analog 0 pin to the middle of the potentiometer, and the right side of the potentiometer when it's facing you is connected to the 5 volts. Okay, so here we can see here, right here. So when I turn this to the right, it will light up. You can see it changes the brightness whenever I spin it. So yeah, that's it for this activity 2. Thank you.